I personally can only recommend going to events.
You just have to see for yourself, like you feel the energy and you feel everything.
You can't compare it to only being at home or playing online. It's something else. If you have the chance to go to an event, I'd definitely go for it.
I come from the APAC region where events are like maybe once a year, if we're lucky. And if you don't live in the city, then the flights cost a lot and it's kind of iffy. So when I was playing Rainbow Six, I was really disconnected from the reality of it. I was the first semi-professional Rainbow Six player in the APAC region as a female. And that was cool, but no one really knew me in person. No one knew who I was. My first event was DreamHack Winter, and I got there and I was like, okay, that's real. This is big, and this isn't even a Six Invitational. This is not a final. This felt big.
The fact you can have these friends online, you play with them, you talk to them on a screen display, and then maybe you've known each other for a year, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. You meet up and you get a face and a real name and interactions and memories together. And I know for a fact that a lot of people that watch my stream and they watch other people's streams, they go to these events for the community, they go there with friends and they make more friends, and honestly, they come back every year.
Quand on vient ici, c'est pour vraiment créer une amitié et qu'on puisse vraiment connaître la personne contre qui on joue.
On peut parler vraiment avec tout le monde, on peut profiter des matchs, on peut faire un peu ce qu'on veut, quoi, et ça fait vachement de bien, quoi. Ça nous permet aussi d'avoir un petit break dans la compétition.
The consistent level of respect everybody seems to have for one another is something that, you know, will always bring me back. And I don't know, for me that's something that's really special.
Como eu já comentei antes, tem muitas pessoas que são muito sozinhas e quando elas vão para um evento como esse, elas se sentem com seus amigos. Por mais que não conheçam muito bem as pessoas, eles se sentem dentro ali de um ambiente seguro, um ambiente familiar. É uma sensação maravilhosa, assim, não dá para descrever realmente como é gostoso ver toda essa galera vibrando junto com você. No final das contas, eu deixo de ser o narrador e me torno um torcedor como eles, principalmente quando tem um time brasileiro jogando. Na maior parte das vezes eu sempre choro também.
A message for someone that hasn't attended a Siege event: you're missing out. That's it. Find some way to get to an event. It's worth it. There's a lot of community people that would be happy to have you there, and they're great. They're amazing.